How to delete workspace in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete workspace in Trello. So for that, just simply open the Trello account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials and open your workspace where you're working and you would want to delete. So for example, I would want to delete this particular board right here. So in order to delete that, it is quite simple process, so you don't have to do much. So just follow the steps that I'm showing you. So at the left hand side menu screen, you will be able to see a bunch of different options. So just simply click on workspace settings and click on the drop down menu over here and go to the workspace settings option. Just simply tap on it, and over here I want you to just go all the way down at the bottom of the screen, and over here you will be able to see the option called delete this workspace. Just simply click on it, and it says that enter the workspace name you want to delete particularly. So you have to type in the name you want to delete, especially the name of the workspace. And you should also know certain things about the deletion, that it is permanent and it can't be undone. All the board in the workspace will be closed. Board admins can reopen boards, and board members will not be able to interact with closed boards. So you have to keep all these things in mind, and once you're okay with the terms and conditions after deleting the workspace, just simply enter the name of the workspace that you would want to delete and click on delete workspace, and your workspace will be deleted successfully. So this is how simple it is to delete workspace in Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.